Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner, and I'm here to share a happy mail that I got very unexpectedly from our very own Bittleston, from Miss Christy Bittleston. Um, she was sending something to the Amy, and the Amy opened it up, and there was this thing. It said Beema on it, and so this is for me. And so I have to be like, Amy didn't see that, so she sort of started to open it, and so there's this beautiful piece of sari ribbon in here, and there's this package, and in the package is some hot cocoa and some tea, vanilla chai, and then there's a note in this little glassine bag, and this is a hand-painted little note that she sent me, and I'm not going to read it to you because it's a personal note, but she sent me a beautiful little note that went with everything, and then gummy bears, and some high chews. If you've never had these are awesome candy, okay? And then there was this little bag in there, and this bag, and I love this bag, and then there was this little bag in there, and I love this. Isn't this gorgeous? This is a gorgeous bag, right? Just gorgeous. And inside the little bag, if you don't know this, Christy Bittleston over at Meta Studios paints mandalas, okay? And she sent me this beautiful black and purple mandala, and it's on a little rock, and she signed it for me back there, and it's got all these little beads on it, all these little crystals on it, and she hand paints all these little dots. This takes hours, and she does all of this one little dot at a time, and she makes the most beautiful little creations, and I am very humbled to have one of my very own, to be able to say that I have a Bittleston, because this is just gorgeous, and it is absolutely over the top. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Christy. Thank you. This is gorgeous. I just wanted to share this with everyone. So that's it. Until I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.